In this video, we'll cover the DP4400 installation prerequisites that will ensure a successful deployment of the appliance in your data center. The DP4400 Converged Data Protection Appliance offers backup, replication, recovery, search, analytics, and cloud readiness with disaster recovery and long-term retention to the cloud in a single 2U appliance. The prerequisites identified here will ensure that you are in business in about 4 hours from deploying the appliance in your data center. Each of these prerequisites are covered in the 3 follow-on videos. The first video covers the cables and connections required to connect your appliance to your network. The second video covers the IP address information required to communicate with the backup clients in the network. And finally, the third video covers the licensing requirements for the DP4400 appliance. For more information on prerequisites, visit the DP4400 support page at dell.com/support.